Logging into a new software account for the first time can be intimidating. You're often met with a blank interface, no data, and no immediate sense of where to start. We are going to change that. In the next 6 minutes, we will walk through the specific steps to configure your NotePilot AI environment and remove the friction of a fresh setup. We'll cover profile setup, tour the creation modules, build your first organizational folders, and learn how to resolve common synchronization errors before they disrupt your workflow. Investing a few minutes in this structural configuration now prevents the common navigation and data issues that can slow you down later. To begin onboarding, establish your operating role. Select the drop-down option that best matches how you intend to use the platform. In Step 2, define your specific objectives. Type your goals into the text field, using commas to separate each individual item. At this stage, it is possible to trigger a synchronization conflict. This happens if you have NotePilot open in more than one browser tab while trying to save these settings. You'll know this has occurred if you see red error text appear beneath the Next button, stating that the profile was updated elsewhere. To fix this, identify any duplicate tabs in your browser and close them. Then refresh your primary active window to resync the data. Resolving these profile conflicts now prevents configuration errors from interfering with the completion of your account setup. Next, verify your workspace status. Under Your Workspaces, make sure you see the Active and Owner tags. This confirms you have the administrative rights required to build out the structure of your environment. With your status confirmed, we can look at the creation modules. This is the Notes section, where you will store your standard text documentation. For rapid capture, the Voice Notes module offers a specialized audio input method. You can start a new capture by selecting the New Recording block. If you prefer visual mapping, the Diagrams module includes a variety of formats. The Type dropdown provides options for flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and mind maps. Checking these permissions and module locations ensures you can select the most appropriate format for every new piece of information you capture. To begin organizing your work, navigate to the Folders tab. Use the New Folder form to create a master directory for your current projects. Tags provide a second layer of organization. Unlike folders, tags allow you to cross-reference data points independently of where the file is actually stored. Over time, you may find that you or your team have created redundant or duplicate tags for the same concepts. This is a common form of organizational clutter. You can address this using the Merge Tags tool found at the bottom of the interface. This allows you to select a source and a target. Select a redundant tag as your source and a clean one as your target to fold data from the old tag into the new one. This process takes scattered, inconsistent data points and consolidates them into a single, unified node. Utilizing the Merge tool periodically keeps your workspace organized and searchable as your project volume grows. If you cannot find a specific file within your folder hierarchy, the Global Search interface serves as a comprehensive retrieval tool. When querying a large amount of data, you may occasionally trigger a system timeout. When this happens, the screen displays the message, "An unexpected error occurred." To recover your search, look for the dark green Retry button directly beneath the error message. Using this native button is more efficient than a browser refresh, as it re-executes your specific search query without reloading the entire application. Knowing how to use the Retry function allows you to stay in your workflow, even during brief connectivity interruptions. By following this sequence, you have established the core foundational framework needed to begin using your workspace effectively. You have verified your permissions, established your initial folders, and learned to navigate potential sync and search hurdles. Now that the initial setup is complete, navigate back to the Notes or the Diagrams tab to begin mapping out your very first project. Your environment is now ready, allowing you to focus on capturing and developing your ideas.